potato, medium sized, and this is some finely chopped up carrots, some finely chopped up green chili, some finely chopped up onions, ginger garlic paste, and some chopped up coriander leaves. So I got a bowl and let's put all the things in. So here I have the potato, and also it's a little sticky. Okay, now here is the carrots, green chili, all of that in, don't waste anything, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, onions, and now there is something we need to add. Now we're going to add some breadcrumb. And now this is the black pepper powder, and you need half spoon. This is red chili powder, and I'm just putting half spoon because we already have the green chili. And this is garam masala, and you also need half spoon of that. And finally, we're putting salt, and the salt you can put as per your taste, and I'm just putting 1 spoon in. Now we're gonna mix it, and don't forget to hold onto the bowl when you mix it, or your food will be on the floor. And also use all your energy and strength. So now I think this is almost ready. Yes, so now we're gonna be making our veg bowl. First, you need to put some oil on your hand and rub it because that is a little sticky. And if we put oil, it will smoothly get off. So now I'm gonna get a little bit of this and then rub it. And also don't press too hard, or otherwise it will be flat. And I'm gonna make more and more. Really good. Yeah, I'm trying my best. Okay, and roll it in your palms. And now I'm gonna get some of this and just roll it and get my stick and put it through and just roll it. And again, I'm gonna get some, roll it, get my lolly, put it through, roll it once more. And then now we have the balls and the lollies ready. And also here, I have some corn flour mixed with water. Okay, so now I'm gonna get one of my bowls and just dip it. And with my spoon, I'm just gonna take it out without any water. And then I'm gonna put it over here. And then I'm gonna roll it around the breadcrumb. Okay? And also after we do that, we have to shape it and then put it on our plate. And then I'm gonna do another one. Get this, and then again I need to mix it with all the corn flour. And then I need to take it, put it with the breadcrumbs, and then mix it around with the breadcrumb. And then there, and then number 2 is ready. Now I'm gonna get the lolly and then put it here. And this time for the lolly, we're not gonna dip it in. We're just gonna get some for the spoon and just pour it on the lolly. And then turn the other side. There, now the other side is done. So we can put it on the bread crumb and just mix it. Okay, that's ready. One. And then my other one. The same thing. The only spoon for everything. And then the same thing we have to do on the other side. And then again we have to dip it in the corn flour and just mix it. And then on the other side. Now everything is ready. It's time to fry it. And also my dad is gonna fry it for me. So here we have the pan on the stove, and also the stove is on. There is also some oil in it, and also when it's a little hot you can put in the bowl. So yeah, I think it's a little hot. Ooh, the first one is coming. And also we're using vegetable oil. You can use vegetable oil or sunflower oil. And also it's on like medium heat. Ooh, that's boiling. Ooh, there comes the second and third one. Whoa, it looks so amazing. And also you can take it out when it's like a brown goldish color. Whoa, there's so many bubbles. Wow, that's like thousands of bubbles. Okay, now we're gonna put our lollies in. There goes the first lolly. Ooh, there's the second one. Whoa. Now our crispy veg ball and our crispy veg lollies are ready. So it's time to eat. Hope you all enjoyed your evening snack. Signing off, Sravya.